Boo boy. What are you thinking about this fight? The fourth fight with Marquez. Are you excited? What are your thoughts?
What you want, long or short fight?
Hey, brother.
See?
Yeah.
He can answer. He can very much hold his own.
I see already the 3 fights, but I sure this the fight for the coming December 8th. This is the final countdown. We close the door for Marquez.
What has it been about Marquez that he's given Manny so much trouble? You've seen Manny demolish guys like Cotto, Hatton, but Marquez, what is it about him?
Yeah, before
You go,
before
See, I told you.
he gave too much trouble for Manny, but I sure this time for December 8th, get Marquez, he got trouble for Manny.
There's been a lot of talk about the sparring at the wild card, you know, some knockdowns and stuff. How good has the sparring been?
The sparring is doing good. You know, the sparring is it's a normal that you have something happen that your sparring partner you got knocked down. Same with Marquez, but in the top of the ring between you and your opponent is a big difference, because you have no headgear, nothing. So it's okay. It's okay for that, but we see in December.
Now, you've been friends with Manny since childhood. Has it kind of hurt you to see the more fame he has, the more people kind of try to come around him and, want stuff from him who aren't really friends, maybe, in your opinion? What's that been like for you to see?
Just like Manny said, I have a lot of friends. They have a good and bad, but sometimes you did not know that some other people thinking advance for him, because he's a very nice guy, But Manny, he wants a lot of people around him, but for me as a childhood, I don't know that who is the true friend for him.
Okay. How would your life be different if you didn't meet Manny Pacquiao? Where do you think it would be right now?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know where I can stay. Maybe I'm still sitting in the street.
Really?
Yeah. I'm very lucky that I meet the guy like that, name of Manny Pacquiao, the one to change my life, because in the Philippines, the life is not, it's big different. So because we grew up together without nothing, we're poor, but thanks God that they have a guy like this for him.
When everything is over, when Manny decides to walk away, how much will you miss all of this, just being a part of, his career?
Maybe I miss that. I wake up him every day, every morning. Yeah, that's maybe I miss, because either he's no scheduled fight, either in my home I wake up early, and then sometimes I'm dreaming that I want to go to his room to wake up with him, something like that.
Okay. All right. Well, good luck to you, Boo Boy.